In this section, we will explain how to set up speed limit zones at urban intersections. First, open the Signal Intersection Road Network under Motorized Intersection in the Example folder. Click the speed limit zone in the menu bar. Hold down the right mouse button and drag on a link or connector in the road network to draw a speed limit zone. The configuration panel allows you to edit the active time target lanes, speed limit, and standard deviation for specific vehicle types. Note: lane selection is not available for speed limit zones on connectors. The parameters from the previous creation will be retained. For the next speed limit zone, click the control points on both ends of the speed limit zone to adjust its length. As shown in the video, add a speed limit to the connector at one entrance of the intersection. After starting the simulation, vehicle speeds are significantly lower than in areas without speed limit zones. Let's switch to the 3D view to check the effect.